Thanks so much for visiting my YouTube channel and asking a question. It's always great to connect with curious minds. By the way, have you ever heard of SeaFord? Did you know it's a charming coastal town in East Sussex, England? Have you seen the breathtaking white cliffs at SeaFord Head? They're part of the same chalk formation as the Seven Sisters. Ever been there? Do you enjoy coastal walks or photography? What kind of places do you like exploring? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. SeaFord is a peaceful seaside town on England's south coast, located between the busier towns of Brighton and Eastbourne. With its long pebble beach, dramatic white cliffs, and stunning natural surroundings, SeaFord offers a refreshing mix of sea air and countryside calm. It's a place where walkers, nature lovers, and photographers can enjoy some of the best coastal scenery in the UK, without the crowds. The name SeaFord comes from Old English. It likely combines SAE, meaning sea, and ford, meaning a shallow crossing in a river. So, SeaFord would originally have meant a ford by the sea. This probably referred to a shallow point near where the Cuckmere River once flowed into the sea, not far from the town. Over centuries, changes in the river's path and coastal erosion have reshaped the area, but the name has stuck and still fits the town's coastal setting. SeaFord's greatest treasure lies just beyond its eastern edge, the SeaFord Head Cliffs. From here, you get one of the most iconic views in England. The majestic Seven Sisters cliffs rolling off into the distance like frozen waves. These pure white chalk cliffs are part of the South Downs and are among the most famous in the UK. You can walk right along the top of them with dramatic views of the sea to one side and the green hills of the Downs to the other. They're especially stunning at sunrise or sunset when the light makes the cliffs glow gold and pink. Unlike some better-known viewpoints, SeaFord Head is uncrowded and natural. There are no fences or entrance fees, just footpaths, wind in your hair, and open sky. At the base of the cliffs, where the Cuckmere River meets the sea, lies Cuckmere Haven, a wild, open landscape of tidal flats, grassy meanders, and pebbled beach. It's one of the most photographed spots in Britain and a favorite for walkers, birdwatchers, and those who just want to sit quietly with nature. You might see swans drifting down the river, herons stalking in the reeds, or even a seal swimming in from the channel. It feels untouched, and in many ways, it is. There are no cafes or shops here, just nature at its best. SeaFord is a dream for walkers and outdoor lovers. The South Downs Way, a long-distance trail that crosses southern England, runs just behind the town. Popular walks include SeaFord to Eastbourne, 13 miles, one of the most beautiful coastal walks in the UK. SeaFord Head Circular Walk, 4 miles, a shorter loop with amazing cliff views. Cuckmere River Walk. Follow the river from the valley to the sea. These trails are well-marked and vary from gentle strolls to more adventurous hikes. SeaFord itself is quiet and charming. It has a long, clean pebble beach with a wide promenade that's perfect for walking, cycling, or simply watching the waves roll in. Colorful beach huts dot the shore, and on sunny days the sea sparkles under the chalk cliffs. The town center has a mix of independent shops, cafes, bakeries, and traditional pubs. It's not flashy. It's the kind of place where people say hello, and you can still find a good cup of tea and a slice of cake for under £5. On the seafront, you'll find the Martello Tower, a small round fort built during the Napoleonic Wars. It's now a museum and local landmark. What makes SeaFord special isn't flashy attractions or tourist hotspots. It's the sense of calm. The sound of waves, the smell of the sea, and the wide open spaces invite you to slow down. Whether you're hiking the cliffs, walking the dog along the beach, or sitting with fish and chips by the sea, there's a peaceful rhythm to life here. A lot of people say SeaFord feels like a town for older folks, and honestly, that's not entirely wrong. It's a peaceful place with stunning coastal views, a slower pace of life, and it's definitely popular with retirees. The town has that calm, laid-back vibe that many people look for when they're ready to settle down. Plus, property here tends to be more affordable than in nearby Brighton, which makes it even more attractive. But don't get me wrong, there are still families, younger couples, and commuters who live here too. It's just one of those places where life feels a bit more relaxed. Have you ever been to SeaFord? What was your impression?